Hi, yo, what's good, y'all? It's Christian. Today I'm gonna be reviewing, oh shit, look at these bitches. 4-piece new Buttermilk delicious crispy chicken strips long tenders from McDonald's. Fuck is the fuck. I know this shit is made with all natural, some white meat, some dark, diverse chicken, you know how we go. It's crisp, buttermilk, delicious. Let me take a crunch. Oh. God damn. That was so good. Oh, my battery was that low. Mmm. That shit is pretty good. It has nice buttermilk from the crispy and nice tender from the chicken. Oh my. And it also comes with sauce. You can look at that shit right here. Bah. Signature sauce. You see, I don't eat sauce, so I'm gonna go get somebody and they're gonna try it and they're gonna let you know how good this new signature sauce is. You can. I choked. You know how sometimes a string of chicken gets stuck in your throat? That's just what happened to my bitch ass. Hold on. Let me put it in there so you can put the sauce in there. So we got Jerry L. Yo, tell him how good as fuck these bitches are. He's about to open the sauce. Let him know. Let him know how good it is. Yeah. Hopefully Josh. Look out for Josh. Because we don't want him running up.
I gotta go back to work.
Hold on, we gotta see. Oh shit, fuck. How good is that sauce?
Dumb good.
What does it taste like?
Like fresh pussy.
Oh shit, that's good. He gotta go back to work, so he's gonna take that shit with him on the go. That's Jerry O. So again, let me take another bite of the chicken just to make sure it's good. It's fucking delicious. It's like a punch of deliciousness. Oh my god. So good. Katie? Oh, hi Katie. Come on. A snack? Eating a snack? I think so. Come on.
Is this your review right now?
Yeah. No, I ate that one. What you doing? You know my mouth dirty.
You're gonna get his AIDS now, bro.
Yeah. Not
My
AIDS.
mouth is dirtier than his. It's okay.
What's been in there?
Exposing myself.
I guess the chicken ain't the only thing long that's been in there.
What?
How did you like the chicken?
It was good.
It was good? That's good.
Christian got all the bad angles.
Alright, so out of 10, I'm gonna rate these joints about, no, like a 9.37. Okay, I like 0.5. 0.5 out of 10. That's
And add
it.
the sauce, it's a 9.8.
Do you want the rest of these? Because I'm about to throw them out.
Oh, leave them in the...
I'll leave them in the crew room. I'm out of this bitch. I hope y'all enjoyed that review. Oh, bye.